Hi everyone, welcome back to Terraton. Today I would like to discuss an important aspect of PTE Academic test, the listening fill in the blank section. This task not only assesses your listening comprehension but also evaluates your vocabulary and spelling skills, both of which are vital for effective communication in English. In the fill in the blanks task, you will listen to a recording that typically lasts between 30 to 90 seconds. After listening, you will see a transcript with a certain words missing indicated by a blanks. Your job is to listen closely and fill in those blanks with the correct word or a phrases. While it may seem straightforward, this task requires focused listening and attention to detail. To succeed in this section, active listening is crucial. As you listen to the audio, pay attention to overall context and key points. Listen for a tone, intonations, and emphasis as they can provide valuable clues about what word might fit in the blank. Remember, understanding the main idea will help you to deduce the missing words. Here are some effective strategies to help you excel in the fill in the blanks task. Context clues. Use the context of the surroundings word to guide your understanding. The sentence leading up the blank can often hint at what word or phrase is missing. Anticipate the missing word. Before you listen, quickly glance at the transcript and try to predict what types of a word may be missing, whether they are noun, verb, or adjective. This anticipation will help you focus better during the listening. Pay attention to the spelling. Spelling matters in this section. Even a small mistake can lead to an incorrect answer. If you are unsure how to spell a word, try to write it phonetically and break it down into smaller parts. Review your answer. If time permits, quickly review your answer before submitting them. Ensure that they make sense with the context of the audio you have just heard. Practice. Practicing with the sample question paper is a key to mastering these tasks. For example, you might listen to a lecture on a renewable energy and fill in missing words related to sustainability and power generation. Engaging with the various audio sources like podcast or lecture will also enhance your listening comprehension and prepare you for the test. In the end, I would like to say mastering the fill in the blanks task in the PTE listening section is essential for achieving your desired score with a dedicated practice, active listening, and effective strategies. You can improve your ability to comprehend spoken English and succeed in this part of exam. Ready to take the next steps towards your dream career abroad? Get a free consultation today. Simply fill out the forms. Link is in the description and pin comments below. Don't miss this opportunity to get an expert advice tailored just for you. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Terraton for more tips on achieving your goals abroad. See you in the next video.